was recording. Hey, we're doing a video today of unboxing an Aventon bike, e-bike. So here we go. I'm going to lean up against the sofa. So now you can see the bike after it's unboxed. So what we got to do now is break all the straps on there, pull off all the packing foam, and then we'll put the tire on, following the instructions. And then these are the accessories right there, your pedals, your reflector, your tool to put it together, your other reflector front, and we got a bike grease. So we got bike grease, and we got the pedals, they're out. And we got I think more accessories to put together with. And then we got a wrench right in the bottom. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Okay. Oh, here we go. That's the front wheel, all unpackaged. So that will be going on in a little bit.